Hello everyone, welcome to the demonstration of our SMTpip tool. It is an open source software and it is hosted on GitHub. You can access and download the tool from this link. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to clone the repository so that we can download the software. So we got the file here. Second step is we need to create a virtual environment. So let's open the VS Code here. We successfully created a virtual environment and let's just activate it. The software is inside the requirement.txt. Let's just install the requirement file. So we have successfully downloaded the dependencies for our tool. Important step is to extract the knowledge graph. So the knowledge graph. So we just kept the knowledge graph in this directory. And next is so our tool is now ready to use. So let's just clear all this thing. So we have an example where there is a Python program and the requirement.txt file along with the Python program. Python program is dependent on two packages. One is click equals 6 and piptools greater than equals to 4. So we don't know what exact version of piptools needs to be installed, which would be compatible with click equals 6. So for that, because the problem is the latest versions of piptools has a dependency conflict with click equals 6. So let's see which version of piptools need to be installed. So for that, what we need to do is we just need to run our tool for this example. So we will write Python SMTpip -d and the directory of the example. For example, example1. So if I press enter, it will create an install script which will mention which versions of this packages needs to be installed along with the Python version. So it found a solution and the solution is valid. So let's see what is the solution. So the solution is piptools 4.4.40 is compatible with click 6.6, and also 6 is another package which is also required. So these are the list of the versions, list of the packages along with the version which needs to be installed. We'll create another virtual environment. We'll create another virtual environment here. So inside, this is an empty environment, and now we will install the install script for this example Python program. Install -r install script. So we successfully created set up the environment for the program. Now if we run the program, you will see the program is working. successfully. So this is how our program works. Now example 4, if you see, if we run it, the tool can detect the inconsistency. So it is also not satisfiable. So why it is not satisfiable? Because in example 4, the dependency conflict arises because the project requires ID and a greater than equals to 3, while request version 2.22 depends on IDNA less than 2.9. So the project requirement is greater than 3 and the transitive requirement is less than 2.9, which is a contradiction because no version of IDNA can satisfy these both conditions. So this is an unsatisfiable case. So in this way, our tool can detect the inconsistency, that is the not satisfiable cases. And if the case is satisfiable, it finds a solution. And with that solution, we set up the environment and we can run the project, which actually helps the developers to minimize their time.